Hello everyone. Um, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your lock screen on your mobile device. Okay. First you need to go to settings, and then we scroll down to you can find the name of lock screen right here over there. Okay, now we tap on lock screen and you will see this lock screen. So the first menu is pin fingerprint. You will see this will be require your pin. Now I'm gonna enter the pin, and right here you can see medium, high, password, and none, and something like this. Swap it means no require password, no require any security, just swap and unlock the screen. Pattern is a medium security. It means you just draw something like like this, and draw on the screen like this, as on the pattern from 1 to 1. And pin is the current type that I've used. You just enter the pin code like 6 digit or 4 digit, so you can unlock the screen. Password is a high security. It means you can use the word that makes the character letter with the digital number. It means with the number call and the character. It should be mixed to create a password, not only include the special character, not only the number and not only the character. So you can use this mix to create a password for unlock your phone. This is advanced. It's more security to mean that to protect your device, but it's not easy to unlock. You need to input the password before unlock the screen. Then none is not about anything to protect, just none. Okay, remove everything. As you can see, remove everything, so your phone will be nothing, even the strap, just nothing. You can access to the menu without locking the screen. Intelligent scan. This use face and iris recognition. It means you can use your iris and use your face to allow your phone to recognize your face, your iris, to unlock the screen. So this, you can use which one that you want, just only face or just only iris or both. It means make more it for a better recognition and easy to unlock. It just when you look at your phone and you can scan your face, so if your phone will be recognition who are you, and then unlock the screen. And if not, you will be it's not possible to unlock your screen. Okay, so yeah, as you see right here that I'm talking about. And more like face recognition, it means, yeah, we scan the face and then to unlock the screen. It's easy. And right here is my current use. It means I use fingerprint. So to register the fingerprint, first of all you need to create a PIN code. So it means two combination to create a fingerprint security to unlock your mobile phone. First, you need to create the PIN code. Use for PIN code of 6 digit, 4 or 6 digit PIN code, and then you create fingerprints. So if your mobile phone is mean the error sensor, like error fingerprint sensor, or it's broken or something unexpected, cannot scan your fingerprint, so you can unlock without fingerprint, just with the PIN code instead. So yes, that's all for this video, just only talking about unlock screen. So if you like, if you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also please leave the comment below if you want me to create another video, and which one that you want, that you think, if you have any issue and you want me to show you what kind of video, and you just leave the comment below. But bear in mind, it's about the technology, and it's about the setup and setting on your mobile device or on the computer. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.